The DCS told me now only there are another 2-3 Corona care center will be setting up by the Sanjuk East Nong Sensation. That is one in Laban, one in Jayao. Immediately we will start this two also. So now we don't see that any shortage of beds if they started with this Corona care center. Even now we have a 600 bed plus with this new Corona care center with IIM and all, it will be 1,000 beds. So now we have at present with including with we have more than 600 beds. Ventilators in the hospital, that is we have in the private hospital, we have also in the public hospital, that is already there. As of now, is a manageable. We have no problem with oxygen, but in case of surge, then it has to, but the government has taken the responsibility to manage whatever eventuality, any situations come, the government is already taken the decision to provide all the oxygens to the patients.